Happy Fire Alarm Friday. I think I'm gonna upload this on Friday. I don't know, but this is just me unboxing and testing things. If you have a sensitivity to flashing strobes, you probably shouldn't watch this because there's a lot. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, Fire Safety 23 here, and I got quite the banger for all of y'all. So, I have two boxes with me. One has one item, and the other has 3. So, I think we should start. I got these devices. They're untested, and this I actually got tested, but I haven't, even though I've had it for like 2 months, I haven't like used it or attempted to use it. But now I will be able to test it. So, oh yeah. System Sensor i3, bud. Check it. So, the System Sensor i3 model number is escaping me. I think it's like a 2WB. That's what it says. I've always, oh, I didn't know you could take that off. Sorry about all the clothes, too. I had to do laundry, or I have to do laundry, so. I've kind of always wanted these. Actually, when I first got into fire alarms, this was like the first detector I ever really saw. In my elementary school, where I went from kindergarten to like first grade, they had System Sensor i3s, and I can't remember the polls, I don't know, but I think it was Spectre Alert Classics or whatever. But I've always just had an interest in these, and even my church has these in the older parts from like 2003, whatever. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched to have this. And you wire it from the base, 2-wire base, as you see. I'm gonna go get a phone tripod thing, see if it works. Okay, yeah, this is whatever phone now. This is photoelectric, at least I think it is. Should be. So the wiring for this is pretty simple. There's positive, negative, and then RA plus, RA minus. I honestly couldn't tell you what that means. So I'm just gonna test this first, like by itself. I am not an electrician, even though most of you might think I am. Okay, that was stupid. Oh crap, the lights turned on. It works! Yes! 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 Nice. Okay, now since we know that works, let's open the other box. I'm actually excited about this. I want to say, but I'll just wait till I open it. That tape was tough to get through. Burger King! Burger King paper. Nice. Alright. 3 devices. Wheel lock RSS strobes. Oh yeah. My first encounter with these, I think, is like at my Target way back when I was a youngin'. Because it was wheel lock, RSS strobes, and then there was other stuff. There were also like the like Kidda smoke detectors in the bathroom. I'll put pictures on screen or whatever, but oh yeah, this is cool. Nice. So these are all 15 candela, not selectable, not cool, I know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me like wiring these and seeing if they work, because I don't want to bore you guys with that. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm just an idiot. I think my adapters... Oh, you hear that strobe? It makes like a little line, kind of. This is... I think it's 1575 candela, which means It's 15 from the front and 75 from the side. Kind of like my wheel lock LSM LT or whatever. Okay. I think the wiring on my thing is right. I'm just an idiot. So now I gotta do this with the other two. Numero 2 works. It's just my bum wiring again, so yeah. Yep. Oh, no. Oh, it did work. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All my devices work. So now we'll try out my pull station. Okay, so this is a Simplex 4250 something T-bar. Don't know the model number because if you look inside, there's no like label or whatever. So it's just like the older, you can tell by the font, the old font. I don't think polarity matters on this because it just 1, 2, 3, 4, but 3 and 4 are not in use. So I assume polarity doesn't matter. So we will try to wire this up. But here we go. So when you wire it up, hopefully nothing goes off. It shouldn't go off. If you did, then I don't know, man. This is my first time ever doing this, actually, so okay, cool. Nothing went off. So let's fire alarm, pull it down like so. Yeah, buddy. Now, if you have a horn strobe, it's obviously gonna go. So reset the pull station, or at least reset a T-bar. You open it up, handle will go, and the way T-bars work, I don't know if you can see, but when it's normal, it pushes in the button. So if I push in the button, it'll stop. So then you pull the bar, and then it like lets go of the button. That's what you hear clicking inside. So here, let me close it. When it like clicks, that's the button getting pushed in, right there, and then it activates. There you go. So just reset, and it'll keep going off because the button's not pushed in. So then we'll close it up, reset, and it's reset. You know.